funny, man. It's like you're gonna hate it no matter what it is, yet you still click on it.
All these fans that perspire like a liar's pants, I'm on fire. And I got no plans to retire, and I'm still the man you admire. These chicks are spazzing out, I only get more handsome and flyer. I got them passing out like what you do when you hand someone flyers. And don't make me have to give it back to academics. Say this shit is trash again, I'll have you twisted like you had it when you thought you had me slipping at the telly. Even when I'm getting brain, you'll never catch me with a thought. Wacky with it, he ain't spitting like this on his lashing. Oh, you better go back and listen, you know me better. Thinking I'll slow a let up, call it trap, cause it's the total setup. Hoping that you rappers fall in that. Dre said hold your head up. They threaten to take away gun bucks, so they know the government won't do nothing. And no one's budget, gun owners clutching their loaded weapons. They love their guns more than our children. That's no desperado, nothing. Plus I kick up dust and cuss a lot. I must have got you in some what the fuck about me.
Some people ask me where I've been lately. They thought I fell off, nobody can save me. They play in the background, I don't back down, so don't get it twisted. Try to play me, first I come out, they underrate me. Then I come back, they still try to fade me. They say I'm nasty, say I'm crazy. They ask me what I think, and I say maybe I'll fly away.
I want you to change but don't change, I want you to grow but don't age. I want the rage but don't get too angry, I want the new but don't shady. I want you to say what they won't say, just don't go far but go cray. I want you to almost lose it, man, and keep moving the goalposts, don't they? Just cut to the chase like OJ, and it's wrong with one up the roadway. And get off my dick, if I said my balls were yarn, you bitches with crochet. All I ever wanted to rope chain, from the day I saw Fuji on Soul Train. The inability to pay humility, other we make a bunch of other times about nothing and mumble and bucket. I'm going for the juggle, that shit is a circus, you clowns that are coming up. Don't give an ounce of a motherfucker about the ones who are here before you to make rap. Sweet cats, way back, and tease that, read that, from fake decks, hate cats for the G-raps, pay that, we need 3 stacks. How long here, clown, don't tell me about the culture. I inspired the Hobsons, the Logic, the Coles, the Sean's, the Chaos, the 5 9s and O. Across the world, 50 Cent, you did squat, piss and mold, but I'm not. Rejoice in the sound of my voice, but you don't have a choice. Just a third of my will overpower yours. Using a metaphor to create the amount of force it'll take to knock out a horse like a train full of Talvinor. And I'm a house of horrors with 1,000 floors. Got a crown of thorns, but it won't fit around the horns. But I'ma keep it a buck like a dollar store. I'm more than you bargained for, and I am far more.
First I come out, they underrate me. Then I come back, they still try to fade me. They say I'm nasty, say I'm crazy. They ask me what I think, and I say maybe I'll fly
But I never thought I'd get too jealous at the thought of letting you go psychologically. It's gonna bother me, my eyes are already watering. Part of me, I wanna stop to get you back. I gotta do the work and tell you I'm never giving this up. Motherfucker, what's tight, just get fucked. Go back to whatever dick that you suck. Get back together with them, you slut. Giving up the vagina like a trip to the diner. I just wanna help you become bigger than you were, but I guess it's in your mind. You must keep writing your time, looking for someone to come along that'll make you feel like I did back when you were mine. Wizard of Oz and news, same Marshall Bruce in that battle who lost the juice, who also used to sound like not gonna lie at the barbecue. Now I got the juice, wouldn't beef if I was you. Like, but I back away from the front row, get low, chop your arm, pick it into Kimbe, mo tumble on the fucking jumbotron. I'm a juggernaut, you not wanna crumble, you overclocked, I'll leave you stretched out like a fucking yard. Some motherfucking lord, your ass is a blade of grass, and I'm fucking up this whole landscape of rap. The goat ate 8 acres and ate of that. It was just to make it pack and take it straight to your favorite rap.
It's totally inappropriate with an opiate groping it while I'm holding it like a trophy. I'm hoping a little codeine, maybe OD and roll. Everything is slow, I begin to floating. I know that I'm getting loaded, I've been exploded. Hiroshima with the flows of utopia, with the dope, I'm an OG. I'm like the goat here to get your gold in it with the sodium, it's the soul.
Pendo made it.
In the sea, glitter ain't always gold. They want war, but we came for the peace. Misfits in the belly of the beast. Get ready for the rally in the streets. Don't aim too high, they tell you, but above clouds we reach. I'm numb to the words they preach. We listen to the inner voice leading. Listen to the words I'm speaking. Always for the people till the day I stop breathing. Can't take back all the time we spent trying to make deep change in the world. How do you get them to understand where you're at when your pain isn't felt? It's a triumph. The bass ain't too loud for the room. We can never be silenced. Venom. My mind, feel by the herd, what I heard in the night, what a fright. They wanna see us abandon the fight. We never die, we just multiply. Take all the rage you've been feeling inside. You couldn't handle this heat if you tried. City to city is different, but you and I have similar lives. I got a plan, as you coming with me, there's minutes to go. I ain't watching the time, long bells are ringing, I'm ready to roll. Ain't no time to chill when my seat don't recline. Ain't no apologies, I'm taking off and ain't nobody stopping me. You gonna do something or you just watching me? Only I know what the fate of my prophecy is. Yeah, I know where I'm heading, voice is a weapon, watch as I tell them. Shame is a bed, I now from in a coffee, is in a bed, is in a plasma. Shame is a bed, I now from in a coffee, is in a bed, is in a plasma. Shame is a bed, I now from in a coffee, is in a bed, is in a plasma. Shame is a bed, I now from in a coffee. Nighttime time to daylight, we roll trees. Save lives and made minds that go deep. Oh, he wouldn't against him so chill. Part of the day in the life you won't see. Part of the day in the life you can't be here for. It's the day in the life of OGs. Dealing with inner demons I won't leave. Not a word you will listen when my soul speaks. Down I go, so follow me, follow me, follow me. Actually don't follow me, nobody bother me. I'm a best honestly, fuck all your policies. They wanna kick me down and demolish me. Use me and fucking abolish me. I don't wanna hear no apologies. Or am I in my own head? Can't tell anymore. Psychotic to the death. Wanna dig deep, I can never find that.